Okay, guys, welcome back to part 2 of your Monday's work. So on this one, we only have 3 questions, and we have to find the area and the perimeter for each one of these shapes. When I sent this home, I made notes for you. You know the ones in red that you can see. I just put those notes there to help you remember. But anyhow, let's go over it. Question 13. First question you ask is, what's he asking me? Find area, okay? Question number 2 is, what shape is it? Okay, the answer is a rectangle. Then we go, okay, formula for area of a rectangle. And I know that would be base times height. That's the formula for all rectangles, all squares, all parallelograms. They have the same formula. So the base is the one that's lying down like that. That's your base. And that would be 8. And your height is the one that's perpendicular to the base, the one that meets the base at 90 degrees. So that's your height. And that's 4. From here, we can just do 8 times 4, 32. Units, very important, centimeters squared. And I'm done. Formula, substitute, work out. Okay, let's do the area for the triangle now. Again, area. Okay, what shape is it? It's a triangle. Formula, you can see the formula on the side here anyway. I put this here, so you should all have attempted this question, at least with the formula, base times height over 2. This is a little tricky because you have so many numbers there and you don't know what is what. However, the base is this one that's lying down. This is how we said it. The height is the one that meets the base at 90 degrees. It's the one that's standing up straight. It meets the base, so that's your height, which meets the base at 90 degrees. So that is how and what you need to look for. All the other numbers we don't need for now. Okay, let's put the base in. That's 12 times height. That's 2 divided by 2. From here, we learned how to simplify fractions. So they leave us with 1. And the answer is just 12 centimeters squared. If you did 12 times 2, 24, 24 halved is 12. It's exactly the same thing, as long as you got that for an answer. Okay, question 15. So what do you ask yourself first? What shape it is. Okay, it's a parallelogram. So we know that for a parallelogram, we have base times height. Let's just put the numbers in. Base times height. I need you to write the formula each time. Base is 7. Height, don't get confused, is the one standing straight. It's not the other one. This one meets the base at 90 degrees. This other one is there to just confuse you. So 7 times 5, and that's just 35 centimeters squared. And that's done. Okay, now we're going to go with perimeter. Perimeter, distance around the 2D shape. So we're going to go around all the sides and collect them. Okay, so with the first one, we have a rectangle. The first question you ask yourself is, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 4 sides. So I need to add 4 numbers together. So I need to add an 8, a 4, an 8, and a 4. So let's do just that. 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. These two give me a 12, and these two give me a 12. So together, they give me a 24 centimeters. Perimeter is 24 centimeters. That's the unit. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Find the perimeter. We have a triangle. So the question you ask yourself again is, how many sides does this triangle have? 3. So I need to add the 3 sides. It's around it, not in the middle. We don't need the 2 because the 2 is in the middle. We're going to have to go around. So we got 12, 7, and 3 to add up. Let's do just that. 12, add 7, add 3. Well, we know that 7 add 3 is 10. So we know then after that we can do 12 add 10 is a 22. I try to chunk this for you, but if you could do them all in one go, that's absolutely fine. So perimeter of this rectangle, of this triangle, is 22 centimeters. We have one more, which is the perimeter of the parallelogram. Again, a parallelogram has 4 sides. You need 4 numbers to add up to each other. So the first one is a 7, going around is another 7, going around another 7, going around another 7. So I have 4 7s, and I know that 4 7s are 28, and the unit is centimeters. And that's it for this. We're all done. Please mark your work, and if you didn't get this right, just correct them with a purple pen, because we will be doing loads of this now until we get really good at them. Okay, guys, have a lovely rest of the day. See you on the next video.